Hello, my name is Breon Mills, and I would like to welcome you back to the channel. Now, this is a quick, short video on Pfizer. All right, as you may be aware of, December 10th is a very important day for Pfizer. All right, now, December 10th, the FDA will make a formal announcement on its recommendations going forth as far as the Pfizer vaccine. Now, they're going to sign off on it. So basically, it will be a go or a no go. All right. And so, but 2 days prior to the announcement, which will be tomorrow, December 10th, and an article came out. Okay, and this article is, from representatives of the FDA. All right, so the FDA says Pfizer's COVID vaccine is safe and effective, but trial participants warn of intense symptoms after second shot. Now, the Pfizer BioNTech coronavirus vaccine is both safe and effective, according to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. In a report released Tuesday morning, the FDA indicated that it could green light the country's first COVID-19 inoculation within days. If Pfizer's shot is granted an emergency use authorization or EUA, the immunizations, which are administered in 2 doses about 3 weeks apart, could start soon as next week. All right, but this is the kicker. Many people are now wondering whether this will be just like getting the flu shot vaccine. The short answer is no, not really. All right. One Pfizer trial participant told CNBC that after the second shot, he woke up with chills, shaking so hard he cracked a tooth. It hurt to just even lay in my bed sheet. Wow, so others experience headaches and fatigue. The FDA said that while side effects of Pfizer's vaccine are common, there are no specific safety concerns identified that would preclude issuance of an EUA. All right, so be prepared for the second shot. The Pfizer vaccine is one of 4 U.S.-backed candidates in phase 3 trials. Next up is one of U.S. biotech firm Moderna, which has also submitted its EUA application. Both companies have said that taking their vaccines could result in side effects similar to mild COVID symptoms. Think muscle pains, chills, and headaches. All right, now let me see here. All right, so this was 2 days ago, coming from representatives of the FDA. All right, now here's another article. Let's see, coronavirus live updates. All right. Now, get this out of here. All right, British coronavirus live updates. British regulators issue allergy warning over Pfizer vaccine. All right, the day after the UK mass vaccination campaign began, Britain's medical regulatory agency warned that any person with a history of significant allergic reaction to a vaccine, medicine, or food should not receive the new Pfizer BioNTech vaccine. The announcement came after 2 healthcare workers reacted adversely to the shot. In the United States, the Food and Drug Administration is moving ahead with its process to determine whether to approve the same Pfizer BioNTech vaccine candidate for emergency use, after a review confirmed that it meets the standard for such authorization. All right. Now, great news ahead. So, with the coronavirus vaccine, they have experienced some mild side effects. Okay. So again, we still don't know what the long-term effects will be. Will it attack the organs? How will it attack your liver, your kidneys? All of your main organs. We just don't know about the long-term effects. But as of right now, fevers and chills, that could be, the symptoms that people will get from actually taking the flu shot. Actually, all right. So again, that's just some news. And again, we have a very, very important day tomorrow. All right, so now let's take a look at Pfizer's hourly chart. All right, so as we can see in here, the market is now open and it's actually trading around 42.56. All right, and as we can take a look at the hourly chart, we can see that it's trending nicely right along the moving average. All right, so once you go up, again, stocks don't go too far away from the 20-day moving average. Okay, so we did have a nice run up, had a pull back to the 20, had a nice run up, pull back to the 20. All right, so we dipped below the 20-day moving average, and now we're just continuing to move along very, very nicely to the 20-day moving average. And now today the market is open, so the first hour we have actually come back to the 20-day moving average again. Nice natural pullbacks. All right, we do have a crossover going down on the MACD, so we're gonna have to really pay close attention to that, because again, basically the MACD is telling us that there is a decrease in momentum. So the momentum is moving closer to the downside, okay? But that may not always last, all right? So we may move a little below the 20-day moving average, then propel forward, kind of similar to what we see here. But as of right now, again, I'm very, very bullish on the stock. I really believe that the stock will be performing quite nicely through the end of the year and throughout the first quarter and beyond. All right, again, I don't really hold any long-term positions in the company, but I do have some call options. And I know before the market opened I was up positive $900, but we've had a slight pullback, so maybe down a little bit, but I'm not worried about it, because I know in the next couple of weeks, actually tomorrow after we have the news, I expect a nice bump up. Okay, so my name is Brown Mills. I hope you like this information. Hey, if this is your first time checking me out, hit the like, subscribe button, and keep coming back for more of that wealth building information. Peace.